Yeah. Hello. Yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah. So today is a story time. Yeah. I want to show you how I was able to release myself from a broke person to a 50,000 Ghana cedis rich within 3 months. I know it might sound funny to you, but it's possible. So I want to show you everything. Yeah. And I have a mentorship in my description if you want to join. Yeah. So the mentorship, if you want to join, it's not for free. It goes with 500 Ghana cedis, and I'll mentor you for 3 months. And if you are a foreigner, that is $60. Yeah. So let me take you straight to my life and let me show you much about how I was able to transform myself from a broke person to 50,000 Ghana cedis rich within 3 months. Yeah. So I completed university 2020, and after my service, life was very hard. Me, life wasn't all that hard to me, but I wanted my own money at that time because boys like me were flexing with their own money and things, and I was broke. I was broke. So I was trying to make money online because I watched people saying that, oh, you can make money online, because at that time I had no capital. So I searched. So all night I'll be with my laptop or my phone. I'll be searching how to make money online, and I'll be watching a lot of videos. At the end, no results. So I've been watching videos, and I came across forex trading. Forex trading, and forex trading, it was very hard for me. So I told myself that now I can't do forex trading. Then let me be a YouTuber. So that's where the journey started. So I started my YouTube journey as a sound engineer. I was producing beats, what I knew, I was doing it, and it wasn't going. So I decided to do a lot of research about online businesses, and I got this knowledge: dollar arbitrage and dollar account creation. So I was able to create dollar accounts for people who want Amazon KDP, who wants foreign accounts and things. So I was able to create this dollar accounts for them. And this one generates me a lot of money offline, because they will see me online and they'll chat me and I'll charge them offline, and I was cashing a lot of money. And this one, it's all started from YouTube. So at this moment, I also engage myself in a lot of online businesses that I will show you in my mentorship. Like if you join my mentorship, I will show you all these things I engage myself that's made me a lot of money. So this one is for the last 3 months. You see, this one is just last 3 months. So last 3 months on this platform alone, that's Xness. So I use Xness to receive money from three of my online businesses accounts. So you see that I've withdrawer, that's negative. I withdraw a lot of money from this platform. I can go to see more for more. You see that thing? Yeah, I'm not here to to show off. I want you to know that it's possible for you to make a lot of money online. Yeah. So I have these four secret sites that make me money. Some of the sites you don't need to invest anything. All you have to invest is your time, data, and your knowledge. So me being your guardian, and me being your mentor, and I have the knowledge and the skills, you will not stress yourself because I already know the things that you need, the things that can make you earn a lot of money online. You see that thing? Yeah, I can make you have a lot of things. You see, you can see this one just within 3 days I've make 222.35 USD. That's dollars. If you calculate it, it's more than 2,500 Ghana cedis. It's more than that. So that thing, yeah. So I'll in my mentorship, I will show you all these secret things that I haven't talk about on YouTube because they're saying that your secret is your power. So if you join my mentorship, my WhatsApp mentorship, I will show you all these things. I will show you all these things. I'll show you all the secrets. All the secrets. So I know I have a lot of students and they can testify to it. But this mentorship, I will be there for you. It's not like I'm doing online classes. Nah, this one is a mentorship, full mentorship. So I'll be there for you for 3 months and you're paying just 500 cedis for it. You see that thing? Yeah. And this one, don't tell me that you don't know anything about online. Me guiding you, you will know much about online. And they saying that actions speak more than words. And this one, I'm not just speaking, I'm showing you proof too. You see that thing? I'm showing you proof too. Like you see it, I'm showing you proof to yeah, I'm showing proof to you see that thing. Yeah. So if you're a graduate and you think that like life is very dark right now and you're depressed, please don't be depressed. At times we don't need to wait for the government to employ us. We have to also employ ourselves so that we get knowledge and the skills so that we can also employ people. If I graduated and I was waiting for the government to employ me, by now I don't know where I will be. But I decided to start my own thing. Though when you're starting it, it's difficult. But when you reach some place, it will be very easy for you. And when I was starting my journey, I had no mentor or someone to mentor me. That is why I'm giving you this privilege for me to be your mentor so that I'll guide you for you to make your money online as easy as ABC. I'm showing you all the basic tricks that I haven't teach any of my students because I have promised myself that this year at least I have to put a smile on people's face. I can't be enjoying all this thing and you be broke because I was broke like you, but now at least I can wake up in the morning and I'll be like, yo, I have this money in my account. Daily I'm earning this, daily I'm earning that, monthly I'm earning this. And I want you to also enjoy this benefits. Online business, if you don't understand English, anything is different. Online business is different from English language. All you need is what? Be vigilant, the skill and the knowledge, and your phone and laptop. You see that thing? Yeah. So don't say that me, I don't understand English. So how can I make it? Now online business is far from knowing English language. It's far from knowing economics, political science. It's far from that. All you need is someone to guide you through the correct path so that you earn more money. And that is why I'm giving you this chance to join my mentorship. And this mentorship is just a new mentorship that I'm giving it for just a cheap price so that you can also make money, cool money for yourself. And I think it will help you. So I know, and let me show you a lot. 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 This place too. This place too. I've been earning right now. I've earned $160 over here, and it's still counting. So it's still counting. It's still counting. It's still counting. Yeah, you see that thing. So I have a lot of sites. This one I've done any videos about this things, but I have five sites that I haven't done any videos about it. Yeah, and that one I'll show only the people who join my mentorship. I'm not being biased over here, but at least I have to know that these people are serious and they want to what, make money online. And if you're serious, then I'll also be serious for you. I'll always be there for you. I'll be there for you to answer any question you ask me. Though people will be calling me now, be like business coaching is not for free. But if you join my mentorship, business coaching is for free for you because I'll be there for you because you are under my mentorship. You see that thing? You are under what? You are under my mentorship. So I will leave the WhatsApp link. The WhatsApp link, if you join, if you join, unless I approve you for you to be on the platform. So before I'll approve you, unless you do your payments, then I'll approve for you to be a platform. You can chat me anytime. You people can talk anytime. So it's fun. 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 And I'll be there for you. And this one's not for only Ghanaian. It's for everyone, any person who wants to make money online, like how I'm making money online. So that thing, yeah. Because I can't remember when I first made my $1. I was like, yo, bro, this business is very nice because at least I'm making money with my own knowledge and my own skill, and I'm ready to to show you all the skills. I'm ready to do that. So join me and let me show you the way. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm out. Thank you for watching me.